Thank you, Mandira. Thank you very much. Especially for the beautiful part. Thank you very much.
He is beautiful, right? He's like super beautiful.
Mm.
If you agree with me, say yay!
Okay.
It's absolutely lovely to be standing on a stage like this. A few months later, we were in Delhi together.
Yes,
Carrera is celebrating its Golden Jubilee. And to mark that celebration, Tag Heuer has come out with a beautiful selection of golden Carrera timepieces. What are your thoughts on that? Do you like gold?
yes. First of all, good evening, everyone. Thank you very much. Extremely sorry for the delay. I'm not responsible for it, but I'll still say sorry because everybody assumes the star is the one who's late. Thank you, Mandira. Thank you, Tag Heuer. Thank you, everyone, the musicians here tonight, and everyone who's involved with Tag Heuer. 11 years I've been working for them, and I truly do believe that Carrera, which is now 50 years, Golden Jubilee, which we used to have sometimes. It's many years ago in Hindi films we used to have Golden Jubilees. Now we don't. We just have 100 crores and 150 crores and stuff like that. So the days of months of Jubilees have gone, but Carrera has been there for 50 years, and I do believe that anything that can last for 50 years in terms of design at least, the innovations and all are new, the precision, the perfection that Tag Heuer stands for years continues to be so. But a design that withstands everything that time has to give, I think is truly appreciable. So it's a momentous occasion not only for Tag Heuer. I think anyone who's creative, that somebody somewhere 50 years ago created a design which has outlasted years and years of relevance in terms of design. So I'm very proud to be associated with Tag Heuer, with Carrera, and like you said, this one is in gold for those who like the bling, as I've been explained backstage, and those who like to keep it subtle, you have it in pink.
Rose gold.
Pink
that's right.
rose
My
gold,
God, he
yeah.
knows
So
his
that's
stuff.
yeah, I know my stuff,
But-
and it's
but-
Carrera caliber 5.
But what are your, coming back to my question, which you did not answer.
I
You
will.
gave a beautiful answer about
I like
everything else.
gold?
Do you like gold?
I love gold, yeah.
Do you like bling or do you like rose gold? Do you
No,
like to keep
I
it
thought you were
subtle?
talking about sports. I like gold in sports, not in terms of economy and money and finance.
You like gold?
Gold sucks otherwise, to carry bricks and stuff like that, no. If you win something, like I always say, you only lose the gold, you never win the silver. So I like gold in KKR, and I like
He loves
gold
gold.
in sports, yeah.
And can I tell you something? Oh my God.
I'm not wearing it yet, they haven't given it to me yet. I
You know
will
what he
finish my
told
job
me?
for them, yeah.
You know what he told me the last time we met while we were talking about tag watches and things? He says, I always come with an empty wrist.
No,
I think we should empty that wrist because it's time to put a new one on it.
Absolutely, but this time, you know what, in Bombay, they allow me, Mumbai, sorry. In Mumbai, they allow me. Please don't print this, guys, huh? Take this off. In Mumbai, they allow me, because my house next door, wear whatever watch I want, they'll still come and put a new one to me.
But don't you think we should put a gold timepiece on his wrist right now, Frank? What are your thoughts on that? Can we have Frank back up on stage?
Come on, Frank, quickly, give me a watch.
Frank, requesting you to do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, this new Carrera by Tag Heuer is powered by the supremely accurate Caliber 5 automatic movement. Created for the true connoisseurs of luxury, this collection, like Shah Rukh said, has options in 18-karat gold for those who like bling and 18-karat rose gold for those who like to keep it subtle.
Okay, मैं बार-बार ये बोलता हूँ, इस फ्रैंक को मालूम नहीं है, ये स्विट्जरलैंड, फ्रांस का है, तो इसको मालूम नहीं पड़ता है, हर बार ये घड़ी बनाता है, मेरी बहन बन जाता है ये.
धन्यवाद.
Yeah.
मेरा हिंदी बहुत खराब है. मेरा हिंदी बहुत खराब है.
So I told them in India we have a festival called the Rakhi, where the sister puts a Raksha Bandhan onto the man. So every time you do this, you're like my sister. Here's the picture now. Mike, पे भी tag हो रहा है यार.
और भी ऐसे फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगे आपको.
Thank you. आराम से करेंगे.
और भी photo opportunities मिलेंगे आपको. Please थोड़ा आप settle हो जाएं.
आराम से करता हूँ इसके बाद.
Ladies and gentlemen, TAG has had a long history with not only sport, but actor. You've also been producer. What are your thoughts on the way Indian cinema has evolved over these years, say from Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge to now?
Just you and me, since Dilwale have become prettier and more beautiful, that's all. Yeah.
Say that again, say that one more time.
And you have shorter hair.
I have shorter hair.
But no, seriously speaking, I think it's been, I have been fortunate enough, all of us actually in this time and age and this era, to be participating in Indian cinema when it has gone through some really amazing innovations, not only in form, style, technology, but I think in storytelling and in creativity in general. You have so many wonderful scriptwriters, directors, filmmakers, actors and actresses who are completely edgy, wanting to take risks, take chances, take Indian cinema forward. And I think even the extent to which Indian cinema has shifted from just being a trend or a fad internationally, becoming a part and parcel. I remember, 10, 15 years, I've been working for a long time now, and I remember Bollywood, the term itself used to be just a kitsch word and a cool thing to say, Bollywood, singing, dancing, loud colors. But now I notice when I travel international and some of my own films or other people's films or some of these wonderful directors who are doing some fantastic work right now. When I talk about Bollywood, there is a sensibility and understanding of a different mode of storytelling which is coming out of India. And I think I've always said this, a country, first of all, starts getting recognized by its packaging, and entertainment is the packaging for a country. And I think Bollywood does stand for the packaging of this country. And somewhere down the line, when you hear the term Bollywood, you think of India. And India is much
When you hear the term
that.
Bollywood, you think of Shah Rukh Khan.
No. That I should not say it. I just told you to say it. Good. You keep saying it. Every time I say Bollywood, just keep saying Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan in the middle. Yeah, please keep saying it. But sincerely speaking, I think we are really, really, it's an amazing journey since Dilwale to now. And I think it's only going to get better, and people are going to take Bollywood in a different stand. And Tag Heuer and people like Frank, who's my sister now, but you don't ever do that to me, okay? Put a watch on my wrist.
Never.
Yeah, okay.
Never.
So we keep that clear. But the fact that you have international brands coming here, and they also do help a lot in exposing and exploiting, in a nice way, Indian cinema abroad. So fantastic times to be here.
Well, you just spoke of directors who've done exceptional work. How about we call some of them on stage and honor them?
Absolutely.
We're going to call on stage 3 exceptional directors from Indian cinema. They've been game changers, so to speak. Our first director that we'd like to honor, he had a very humble beginning. He started as an assistant director and then went on to make one of the most successful and unconventional films in Indian cinema. His directorial debut redefined the silver screen. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the director who gave us Dostana, Tarun Mansukani. Frank is making it a habit to tie lots of Rakis this evening. And Shah Rukh will show you how to pose with it.
And this one.
Like that.
Yeah. And one in honor of Dostana.
Dostana 2. हो गया.
Tarun,
So we're allowing you this time, otherwise we'll take the watch back. Sex on Tag Heuer platform.
Happens, sir. So that's the kind of films I've made now.
listen, you talked about directors being edgy. This is what they're giving you.
Edgy, but not sexy.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have another surprise. He's young, good-looking, and talented. Our second honoree for the evening is a man who's created films depicting a young and urban India, what it wants, what it desires, and what it does to achieve its ambition. All of 31 and 2 films down. Please put your hands together for the director of I Hate Love Stories and Goi Tere Pyar Mein, Puneet Malhotra. Requesting Frank and Shahrukh to please do the honors.
Frank and his sisters. Frank is making many sisters. Wrong hand? Thank you.
आराम से करते हैं इसके बाद.
मौके मिलेंगे.
Just
सब्र
one
का फल
clarification.
मीठा होता है.
There was a printing error. He's 29 years old, not
I'm
31
29.
as
See,
yet.
it's not 31.
See, that's what. See, I was told 31. The first question to you was going to be 29 or 31.
Depends.
Backstage, he was telling me his passport reads 29, like actresses sort of lessen the age a little bit on their
It depends on
passport.
how many single women over here and what age.
How many
group it is.
single women are there? Put your hands up.
Even if you're not wearing a
Okay,
tie,
then 31. There's no one over here.
There's 31. All right, at the age of 31, you have worked 29, 31.
29, 31.
You've worked with very big names. You've made 2 successful films. So, what's this journey been like for you so far?
I have to say, a roller coaster. Lots of ups, lots of downs. More downs right now than the ups. But I'm hoping it'll all change. It's been 3 or 4 years, and I mean, I'm just hoping that it's just the start, and it only gets better. I worked with Mr. Khan on about 4 films. I've assisted on 4 films that he acted in, and I haven't ever got an opportunity to direct him. I'm hoping, as cheesy as it sounds, the times do change, and I can do that.
Can I tell you, he's got great abs. I just want to throw that in.
he will take
He's
off
got
his
great
shirt and
abs.
insist.
He's got like ripped abs. Just wanted to.
But if,
just wanted to-
if he has
no,
better abs than me, I'll do the film right now. but we're gonna do that backstage, not here. Yeah.
we can't do that on stage. We can't do that on stage. All right, we can't do that on stage.
We can try for yours. If you have better abs than me, whatever you say, I'll do.
I do. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Puneet Malhotra. And now, I'd like to call on stage our last guest of honor. He's made movies that show the journey of love through different phases of life. He's known for bringing in an unconventional perspective to romance with movies like Fana and Hum Tum. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kunal Kohli. Frank, Shahrukh, requesting you to do the honors.
No. Do you understand? I don't know. Yeah, there is.
इसके बाद सब करते रहो.
Kunal, my question to you is, why is it that your characters take so many years to realize that they're in love? Why does that happen? Why so long?
They're just taking their time, pun intended, and they just want to make sure that they're with the right people and they don't make mistakes. And then it's love forever. So that's why.
What's your journey been like
In love?
in the world of
Films?
in the world of films? Love?
Okay.
You can share. You can share if you want. You can talk about your,
Wife.
how you met your wife and.
Really?
whatever.
It's a long story.
I'd
We'll be
actually
here
like
for
to.
a long
I'd actually
time.
like to know about your journey in filmmaking.
Well, my journey in filmmaking has been pretty long. It started off with me being a reporter. As everyone knows, I used to host a show. That was, well, a different life ago. And then one fine day I met Adi Chopra. And, well, he said, do you have a script? And I did. and the rest, as they say, is history. And I was really honored and flattered that I could work with Yashji, and I learned a lot from him. Yeah.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Kunal Kohli. I think now you can
What
have a nice...
are you saying behind my back about me, Puneet? Okay, Puneet was just saying we're related, we're cousins.
We could have a photo op right now.
Mic sata. Thoda pa. Right, sir? Sir, we're only following you, sir. Center again.
Thank you very much, Frank. Thank you so much. Now, Shahrukh, he likes my job, so he likes to ask some questions. So he's got some questions planned for the three of you. You do?
You apparently do, sir.
Okay, I had a lot of questions planned for them, but I'm going to keep it simple and straightforward and
We've
basic. Yeah.
shortlisted it down to
Okay.
just a
But
little
the
bit.
three of you stand here. यहाँ खड़े हो जाओ.
Rapid fire?
Okay. Tarun, तुमसे पहला question है.
Yes, sir.
If you were to remake Dostana with me in the lead,
You wrote these questions, it wasn't me.
okay, I did this, yeah, okay. Which actor will you cast me opposite?
Sir, Puneet has been wanting to show his abs to us. I think Puneet should come.
कोई एक्टर का बताओ यार, तुम अब ये सवाल पूछा है इन्होंने. If you were to make Dostana with me in the lead, and the story happens to be similar to the Dostana that you did, which actor will you cast me opposite?
Sir, I would replace my third actor with you and make Abhishek and John be chasing you.
Well done, fantastic. I think it will work fantastic.
Sahi jawab. Big round
बिल्कुल
of
सही
applause.
जवाब, सही जवाब. तुम्हें मिलते हैं 3 करोड़ रुपए. Okay. React in one word to the following. It's for him only? Or to the other director? I can choose.
You
No, no.
don't-
No,
You
I
wrote
did,
this?
but
Yes,
okay, yeah,
it's
so
fine,
it's
it's
fine.
fine,
Okay,
it's
so we'll
fine.
come back to your second question. Let me go to Puneet first. If you were granted one superpower, Puneet, what would it be? One superpower, if you were granted, what would it be? Apart from box office success and stuff like that.
No, I'd definitely like to be invisible to get into a lot of bedrooms. You know.
Can I
Naughty.
be mean to you right now?
No, sir, please don't. Please,
Please
don't.
let me be.
Okay, please.
Because you know, if you're funny about things, then things get all buried and all.
Okay, okay.
After Gori Tere Pyar Mein, you should be invisible.
Oh.
Why did you do that? You can crack a joke back after me.
No.
You're my baby, so you can do it.
That I can't manage to do.
No, go for it. Okay. But I like the bedroom part better.
Bathroom also, sir.
If you're gonna spend your time in bedrooms and bathrooms, ना, script कब लिखेगा तू अगली वाली?
सर इस बार मैं नहीं लिख रहा हूँ अभी किसी से लिखाऊंगा.
Good decision. Okay, Kunal said, if you were to write your autobiography, what would be the title? First, तो हम इसकी autobiography पढ़ेंगे क्यों? But that's besides the point. But if you were to write, we're honoring you. You guys know this now.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. If you were to write your autobiography, what would the title be? Okay, I want to clarify. I knew the three of them actually, including Kunal, and I've known them since they were children. Not Kunal is older than me, but the other two. Honest to God, I'm telling you, ये वो लिखता था वो क्या cinema चलो, चलो cinema sorry, वो clear भी कर रहा है cinema चलो नहीं, चलो cinema. Perfectionist है. I wonder why, but but these two are my little babies. From the time they started, I've known them for, 15 years now?
16.
16 years. And they were little children when they started, so I can mess around with him. Him, just because of his reputation, I can mess around with him. Okay. So if you were to write your autobiography, what would be the title?
Fana, destroyed in love, destroyed in cinema, destroyed.
By Shah Rukh Khan.
Destroyed by Shah Rukh Khan.
No.
But I have to say one thing. Shah Rukh,
Don't
can I
say
say one
that.
thing?
He's never cast me. He's been casting other heroes, so he's destroyed by other heroes. Please excuse me.
How long have
Keep me out of this, dude.
You know, how long have I been asking you for some time to make you hear a script? आपने दिया है क्या time?
Guys, you have 3 hours. We can all sit down and listen to script right now, right here.
चलो सुन लेते हैं फिर आप
और
सब
इस
decide करो।
घड़ी में वक्त रखेंगे, लेकिन इसमें क्या है, 12 घंटे से ज्यादा है नहीं दोस्त. तेरी कहानियां थोड़ी लंबी
मैं
होती
सिर्फ
हैं.
2.5 घंटे लगाऊंगा आपको स्क्रिप्ट सुनाने में. Okay, but honestly, can I just say something?
Please, please.
Can I tell them of the first time we met? Do you remember that? When it was years ago, when you had come to my house once.
Here in
No,
Pali Hill? Delhi?
not Pali Hill. Pali Hill house you've never come. When I was in town,
Okay.
and you were coming to, I mean, you were living in Bandra, and you were going to meet GP Sippy Saab in his house, and my cousin Rima was a friend of Gauri's and yours.
I thought I was drunk and I took the wrong turn.
No. It was
Yes, I
really
remember, yes.
amazing. Shah Rukh was a TV actor at that time. And you were being cast by GP Sippy. And I had just spent a year in the US and I'd come back. Sorry for taking some time, but it's a very sweet story. So I didn't know, I had not been through the Fauji phase and I had not known what a big star you were with Fauji. So I was just asking him, like, so what are you doing? And he said, I'm doing a film with GP Sippy. And I said, really? With GP Sippy? He said, yeah, I just did a TV series, Fauji. And I tell you something, I'm going to be the biggest star this country's ever seen. And I just looked at him and said, I think he's right. He is going to be. I don't know why I felt that, but his conviction was so strong at that point in time that he is going to be the biggest star in the country. And
See, I haven't changed. I'm still as humble. मेरी humility की ऐसी बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं. Okay, the next question, back to Tarun now. Tarun, your question is. See, I was told we have to make this fun, okay? Okay, so Tarun, your question is, react in one word to the following, because today is the golden jubilee for the Carrera, 50 years, and we all have got gold watches.
Rapid fire.
Rapid fire, this is okay. This is from our mentor, Karan Johar. We've taken a leaf out of that. React in one word to the following. Gold.
Mandira.
Okay, as a matter of fact, if I had said any word vaguely related, you're staring at Mandira so much, you would have said Mandira only.
Very much.
मैं कुछ भी बोलता, Mandira. Okay.
Sir, 5 years I've been trying to write a sequel. I'm trying to get back to being straight now.
Okay. This is the best place to start to be straight.
Absolutely.
Okay, wonderful. Okay. Different answer. If I say movies, don't say Mandira again. Okay. Your second word is movies.
Dostana 2.
Wonderful. Are you making Dostana too?
No.
Okay. But good, okay, Dostana too. So will you ever make Dostana too?
I'm sure at some point it'll happen.
It'll happen again.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's more an ego thing.
Okay, is it just two questions? I mean, I'm just related thing. Are you, if it can be talked about, the next film that you are making or not making right now, if the media doesn't know, what you can keep it.
We
like
don't know, sir.
We don't know,
Now,
but
I'm playing myself as a mystery.
Okay, but you are directing another film, which is not Dostana 2, or maybe not.
Yeah, I am
okay.
saying that at least.
All right, well done. Third, Shah Rukh. Mandira. Please say Mandira,
Absolutely,
Mandira,
sir.
Mandira. Okay.
Mandira.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll talk to you guys later. Let's go. All right, next is Tarun Mansukhani ka ho gaya. Abhi hamare Puneet Malhotra pe. Thank you. Your question. I hate love stories or Gori Tere Pyar Mein. Your favorite movie?
So I hate love stories for sure.
Nahin, aisa nahi ho raha
No,
hai.
for sure. Before you say something else.
No, I'm going to tell you something. I'll tell you my favorite film is Ravan. My favorite film is Paheli. My favorite film is Phir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani. जो फिल्म थोड़ी सी खराब हो जाती है, डिसेबल होती है, वो बच्चा ज़्यादा प्यारा होता है. So I'll tell you something. Be very proud of the film that you've made.
Proud I am, but that's still my first film, so I think that's special.
Yeah, that way it can be special, but do not ever get disjointed, disabled, or disturbed by the non-success. मैंने ना 77-80 फिल्में की हैं, और उसमें से 50% flops हैं. फिर भी मैं स्टार हूँ. लेकिन वो बहुत प्यारी हैं. So inshallah you will continue to make films.
So
and you make some
I'm being
wonderful
optimistic because मेरा भी ratio भी 50% है.
ones. देखा? यही मैं तुझे बताने वाला 50-50 सब कुछ निकल जाता है. Well done. Okay. Kunal Kohli.
Yes,
Next
sir.
question to you.
yes, sir.
The last Hindi movie that you did not like. Don't give us a big list and be cynical. The last Hindi movie you did not like. Openly बोल दे, वहाँ पे ना TV में अकेला आना चाहिए तेरा shot.
आ जाओ.
मैं तो कह दूंगा मुझे अच्छी लगी, मैं तो बहुत झूठा हूँ। वहां जाके खड़ा होकर सामने बोल सबके सामने।
Oops, the last
आखिरी हिंदी पिक्चर जो
movie-
मुझे बहुत नफरत और गंदी लगी है वो है
दिल्ली 6।
इंग्लिश का वर्जन भी बोल दो उसका कि दोनों चैनल्स में आ सकते।
Delhi 6.
Okay, and why did you not like it?
I didn't understand the whole Kala Bandar thing.
Who?
Kala Bandar. Yeah. See, you're in the same boat as I am.
With this wonderful cast with Abhishek and Sonam.
Yeah.
And amazing director Rakesh.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah. No, I love Bhag Milka.
Yeah.
I
No,
love
I'm
Rang De
not talking
Basanti.
Bhag Milka. I'm talking about पूरी पिक्चर में तुझे काला बंदर दिखाई दिया उसमें।
मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आया ट्रैक।
तो जो समझ में नहीं आया तूने कहा कि वो चीज अच्छी नहीं। गाने तो बहुत खूबसूरत है यार।
नहीं, गाने बहुत अच्छे थे। गाने
Title
मेरे
भी
दोस्त
अच्छा
ने
था,
लिखे
दिल्ली
थे,
छह।
प्रसून जोशी ने लिखे थे, मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है।
राकेश तेरा दोस्त नहीं है।
नहीं, राकेश भी मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है।
मतलब बायस नहीं है इसके अंदर कोई भी ना?
नहीं, कोई बायस नहीं। आई लव रंग दे बसंती, आई लव भाग मिल्खा।
मैंने पूछा क्या?
बट मैं बता रहा हूँ
तू
But I love Bhag
दिल्ली
Milka.
छह के बारे में बात करना जिसके बारे में तूने बोला।
दिल्ली छह मुझे नहीं, you asked the last Hindi film I didn't like, so it was भाग मिल्खा, it was दिल्ली छह। यार, there can be a slip ना, I love भाग मिल्खा।
But that film came how many years ago?
दिल्ली छह? I think about 4 or 5 years.
ये भी याद है तुझको? But since then you've liked all the Hindi films that you watched.
I've been very selective in what I've been watching.
Okay. So which is the last Hindi film that you watched?
That I loved?
No, just watched. बाद में पूछूंगा like क्या था, dislike क्या था.
That I watched. Which was the last Hindi film that I watched?
Dhoom 3.
Huh? Jai Ho.
Jai Ho.
Yeah. And that was the last film I saw.
There's no accounting for taste. But but God bless you. Thank you very much for being so candid. Though this was not Coffee with Karan, still you were very, very candid. God bless you, and I hope you get into trouble for your answer.
Okay.
Okay, so there is a prize also for being. I think तुम दोनों तो side में हट जाओ. Because इसको बाहर निकलते ही राकेश मेरा मारेगा यहाँ पे.
Yeah, you asked me the toughest questions. You didn't ask them what they didn't like. And
Okay, which is the last Hindi film you did not like?
हाँ, ये हुई ना बात. You can't say your own film. No.
Why?
I'll get fired for that.
Just because तूने 18 साल से पिक्चर नहीं बनाई इसका ये मतलब नहीं दूसरे बोल दे सकते हैं उसको तो बोल लेते हैं.
The last Hindi film I didn't like. I'm not too sure. I've not seen
You can include your own if you want. You can include mine here.
it.
इसको we have to get him in trouble. You don't do what I'm saying. मेरी वाली बोल
No,
दे.
I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure which is the last Hindi film I didn't like.
Okay.
I saw.
See,
I
he
saw
doesn't win the hamper.
ये देखता
Is
ही
there a
नहीं है.
hamper?
There is a hamper, I think. Yeah. There is a hamper.
There's a
There is
prize.
There's a
There
prize.
is a
yeah.
prize to be
Yeah.
won.
And which is the last Hindi film you did not like?
Dhoom 3, sir.
Oh, okay. We have a lot of competition here. But that was not your question. I think we should give it to him.
Definitely,
Yeah.
sir.
इसको कुछ तो मिलना चाहिए. Can we have the?
Can we have
who
the
decides the
prize?
prize? Do I decide or you decide, Mandira?
No, you decide.
I decide. Okay.
Yes.
So we have a
Oh, I
prize
get a
for you. Oh,
prize.
wow. We are giving you a small face mask to hide yourself when you go out of here. It's a
From
special.
Rakesh Mehra.
It's a special Tag Heuer face mask. Packing बहुत अच्छी. Oh, lovely.
Cufflinks.
You got this wonderful pair of cufflinks from Tag Heuer. अच्छा मैं निकालता नहीं हूँ खराब हो जाएंगे देखिए.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Yeah. This is very good. इतनी छोटी सी चीज के लिए इतने तकलीफ में आ गया बेटा तू.
नहीं, मेरा बहुत पीसफुल आदमी है, कुछ नहीं बोलेगा.
But thank you very much and
Thank
anything
you.
else? Okay.
Thank you, Shahrukh.
Which was the last Hindi film you didn't like?
Me?
Yes.
अब तेरी इस स्टेज पर कितनी और बेइज्जती करूं मैं?
कर लो.
मुझे
इसका चलो ये मतलब तो हुआ कि आपने मेरी फिल्म देखी.
जी मैं दिल का बहुत अच्छा हूँ. मुझे सारी फिल्में अच्छी लगती हैं, सारे हीरो अच्छे लगते हैं, सारी हीरोइन अच्छी लगती हैं. मुझको हर चीज जो है अच्छी लगती है. मैं I'm a simple minded person. I like everything, including your films. I've loved them all. I think Fana was very good. I think Hum Tum was very nice. I have a story of Hum Tum. His actor won the national award when I think I should have got it, but that's another story. But I really feel, yeah, you made some wonderful films. It's high time you made one. Not the one like Mary Poppins, but some other one. And you should, and genuinely guys, these guys are good sports. They're my friends. And I would like to take this one moment to tell you that being such sports and talking about their work in happiness, that is the newer generation, that they can make fun, they can be candid, they can be edgy, they can be real. But genuinely, I want to thank them on behalf of Tag Heuer and personally myself, that they open themselves to such fun on a public platform, knowing fully well some of it may be misread. So thank you so much, Kunal, for being so kind. God
Thank you,
bless
sir.
Very well said.
Thank you very much.
A big round of applause
Thank you, Puneet.
for Puneet, Tarun and
Thank you
Kunal for being such great sports. And Shahrukh, Thank God you're never going to be asking me any questions. That's for sure.
You should ask her a question.
I'm scared. No.
Okay, we have one. We have 2 minutes. So all the 3 directors that we've asked questions to, can you ask one to Mandira?
We're
And put it in
out
cover. Come
of
on.
time. We're
Go
out
on.
of time.
Whose abs do you want to see right now? Well, definitely not mine. So it's just between Puneet and Shah Rukh. Whose abs do you want to see right now?
No, do you? Okay. Can I ask?
First 2
I'm asking her. Let her answer, na?
She may not want to see abs. She may want to see other stuff.
Okay, what
the
else
hell
do
are
you want to
talking
see? On this stage, there are 4 men. What do you want to see of who?
These Indians, abs. Yeah, come on,
So what would you like to see of?
I'd like to see this event wrapping up because I'm not very happy answering these questions. Next.
Honestly, I mean, do you? Sorry, I'm going
You're
about
not
abs
winning the
again.
hamper, just by the
Okay.
way.
I don't want to win a hamper.
Mandira, everybody's got ab question for you.
Even I have an ab
No.
question. Because you spoke about it, do you have a 4-pack or a 6-pack? Prove it to us.
I have
Whatever
a
it is,
family
just prove
pack.
it to us.
I had a baby. I have a family pack. I have a 2.5-year-old son. So I
Can you
can
give
never
guys
have
a big round of
six-pack.
applause for this young lady, 2.5-year-old son. And she looks so stunning, mashallah. I also have a 16-year-old son and a 13-year-old daughter and a 9, and I look at me also. I'm a
Big family pack.
I've been pregnant 3 times, but I've also been quite a comeback. Okay, your question to her.
No question, I'm just watching.
Okay, he's just having fun. ये दोस्ताना वाला ये दूर से लड़कों को देखता रहता है बस.
You can keep checking your abs, I'm not.
इसका कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तुम्हारे एप्स के अंदर.
So are we done?
अभी I'm done.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for these 4 fabulous gentlemen on stage. Always so much fun. And thank you all for being such a wonderful audience. Please do join us for cocktails and canapes when we're done with this photo op.
Where are we? Left. आपका सोलो सर. We have to return watches?
Ladies and gentlemen, do join us for cocktails and canapes at the pre-function area as soon as we're done with the proceedings on stage. Thank you very much, and thank you for being a fabulous audience.